बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, आज ऐसे ब्याख अख मिनरल परन यथ नाव बॉक्साइट। यथ नाव बॉक्साइट। Bauxite Bauxite is a naturally occurring heterogeneous material. Bauxite is a naturally occurring heterogeneous material composed of hydrated aluminum oxide, namely gibbsite, boehmite, diaspore, with impurities of iron hydroxide and titanium oxide. Perry Bearher named bauxite after the village Lesbox. He named the bauxite after the bauxite was found in the village known as Lesbox de Provence in southern France. This village is located in southern France, where it was first discovered in 1821. It was discovered in 1821 by Harry Berhier in the village namely Lesbox. India is endowed with large reserves. India is endowed with large reserves of bauxite. It is the fifth largest producer of bauxite in the world. India is the fifth largest bauxite producer country in the world. Bauxite is produced by chemical weathering. Bauxite is produced by chemical weathering under tropical and subtropical climatic conditions. Bauxite deposits are conformed to 30 degrees north and 30 degrees south of the equator. Bauxite is a raw material. Bauxite is a raw material mostly and widely used in the production of aluminium. Bauxite is mostly and widely used in the production of aluminium on a commercial scale. The usual color of the bauxite. The usual color of bauxite is pink, but if low iron content is present, it may tend to become whitish. In color, and with increase in iron, it is reddish brown in color. Very commonly, bauxite deposits are associated. With the rock type known as laterite, which forms a kind of ferruginous crust over any type of rock, whether igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic. Of all bauxite mined, approximately 85% is converted to aluminium. For the production of aluminium metal, an additional 10% goes to non-metal. Uses as various forms of specialty alumina, and the remaining 5% is used for non-metallurgical bauxite. Another 5% is used for non-metallurgical bauxite. Bauxite deposits are classified. Into three types based on their genesis. Bauxite deposits are classified into three types based on their genesis. Number one is laterite bauxite, which is formed from weathering of igneous, metamorphic, or sedimentary rocks. Number two is karst bauxite. Number two is karst bauxite, which is formed in limestone terrain. And the third one is sedimentary bauxite. This sedimentary bauxite is formed from detrital material of transported all rich material. 85% of the world's bauxite 85% of the world's bauxite is of the laterite type. 14% of the bauxite, 14% of the karst type, and 1% of the sedimentary type. All Indian bauxites belong to the tertiary period. area yipurkin havan shi bauxite yipurkin shi havan पता अगर इस वुचो हिंदुस्तानस मज युस ये बॉक्साइट हिंदुस्तानस मज नेरान वारियाहन स्टेटन मज बॉक्साइट नेरान हिंदुस्तानस मज वारियाहन स्टेटन मज यमन मज खास करित ओडिशा, गुजरात, झारखंड, महाराष्ट्र, छत्तीसगढ़, तमिलनाडु, मध्य प्रदेश एटसेट्रा वारियान स्टेटन मज नेरान मगर पर्टिकुलरली नेरान ओडिशा, गुजरात, झारखंड, महाराष्ट्र, छत्तीसगढ़, तमिलनाडु, मध्य प्रदेश एटसेट्रा. As much as 80% of the bauxite is used for producing aluminium. As much as in the country 80% of the bauxite is used for producing aluminium. India's exports of bauxite have been reduced considerably due to increasing demand in the home market. Still, India manages to export small quantity of bauxite. The main buyers of the Indian bauxite are Italy, UK, Germany, and Japan.